How to trade on Coinbase or how to buy and sell crypto and Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can trade on Coinbase. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Now first things first, I won't be able to show you in details due to the security issues. I'm unable to sign in here too, so I'll just be guiding you through. Now once you're logged into your account on the Coinbase wallet, you'll get an option that is similar on the screen. You can see buy, sell, add cash option. Now first you can add fund to your wallet. You can use the add cash option and there enter in your details, your bank details, or any option that you wish to add cash from, add fund from to your wallet, and you want to add fund to your wallet. Once you do so, you can tap on buy option there and you can select a particular crypto that you wish to buy. Suppose you'll get the list of cryptos there, and suppose you want to buy Ethereum, you want to tap on it and you want to go ahead and add in the purchase details and you can easily buy it. Similarly, if you wish to sell it, you can tap the sell option from your assets and there you can select the crypto that you wish to sell and you can sell it. Now once you have sold it, you can easily withdraw cash. I've already made a separate video on how you can withdraw cash from Coinbase to your account, to your bank account or PayPal or any other accounts. So this way you can easily trade on Coinbase. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.